Welcome guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can perform factory reset of your Amazfit PowerBuds. So the first, you have to be logged in with this application from Xiaomi. You can download it from the App Store. So once you make it, you can just simply open the application. Of course, you have to log in with your account. If you don't have, you have simply to create a new one. Next, you have to go for the profile, select your PowerBuds, then scroll down at the bottom, and you have to click to factory reset. As you can see, we have to take out both earbuds from the charging case, so let's make it right now. Tap to factory reset, click OK, and as you can see, right now it's finished. Our earbuds are not anymore in the application. We can also open the settings just to be sure that everything is fine, and as you can see, right here we are also not connected anymore. So we can just simply forget this device and then complete the pairing operation. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.